p.m. Today is January 16, 2024, Tuesday. And here are the 3 p.m. Estel Visayas result today. Here are the SLs for 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City. Under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Tuesday, January 16, 2024. Here are the SLs for 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for January 16, 2024, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for Tuesday, January 16, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.